Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'll be preparing goat meat today. You can simply replace goat meat with lamb. You can cook this dish in a pot or in a pressure cooker, taking 6 to 7 whistles. My family's weekend favorite. So let's get started. For this dish, we need 1 kilo of lamb, 3 chopped onions, 2 cups of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of kasoori methi, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 sliced potatoes with skin, whole garam masala, 1 star anise, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 cup of water, salt to taste. Turn the gas on medium flame. In a pot, pour the oil and let it get hot. Add the whole spices and cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Add the chopped onions, mix well in the oil and let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. You can add little salt at this stage. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add the lamb. Mix well and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. At this stage, add the chili powder. You can add less chili powder if you wish to. Add the turmeric and coriander powder. Mix well and let it cook for another 10 minutes. You can add little water so that the masalas don't get burnt. Keep stirring in intervals. Add the tomato puree. Tomato puree gives a rich color to the dish and also a nice tangy flavor. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add garam masala. Add the potatoes. Add kasoori methi. And let it cook for another 45 minutes. You can see now how your curry has turned out to be. It goes very well with naan, roti, or you can even simply have it with steamed rice. Enjoy cooking this dish and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao.